This is round 2. Last week we were here. It was horrible. We didn't make it up. This time we had 3 rigs. Co-pilot, still what's up?
What's up, man?
And we'll go and see how it is. It's a pretty quiet Friday night, Friday evening. Sutton, we're in Sutton, headed to Escafall, round 2, guys. Go first! Wheeler down right before the mud pit. We're gonna see if we can fix it up. We do have a spare, but it's not the right size spare, so one tire is gonna be small. Still leaking.
It's not?
It's still leaking. We gotta fill it up more or shove more of that bog in there.
Where is it leaking?
You can feel it. You can hear it. Can't you hear it?
It's the compressor, dude.
Okay, keep hearing it then. Let's get it.
I think we should cut that.
Yeah, but we'll just cut it. We'll cut it once it's fully aired to where we want it at. While you guys are trying to get that tire fixed, there's some nice fiddlehead right around this area here. And I'm gonna show you guys. If you guys see these fiddleheads during this time of the year, make sure you guys pick them up, guys. They are fully edible and very tasty. Tastes very good to eat. You can saute them, grill them, boil them, whatever you want to do with them. They're very scrumptious, and you want to get them during the time when they're still like these little curl ball. Once they come out like this, it's not. I mean, you can still eat it, but this is the stage when you want to get them when they're still in their little curl ball, right before they blossom. And you could take the whole length, but we usually just take like the first 3 inches and below. And what this does is you don't kill the plant. It still will grow even if you take the fiddlehead. So it doesn't hurt it. It's nature. These guys are like weed. They grow all the time. And you can see there's lots of them right here. I was worried because tomorrow's June, and I was scared that they will be fully blossom already. But it looks like there's still a lot of these guys left. And I'm really hungry for these, so I'm gonna try to get me a full bag of them today. Wow, these guys are fixing the truck. If they're fixing the truck. So that's what we're doing right now, guys. Short delay here at Escafall. And Nutty New has turned into a gardener. So this is just a quick tip for you guys. If you guys ever see these fiddleheads, and these are very popular. You see them all the time during the spring season here in Anchorage, in Alaska. So you see how it's like this already. This is not really preferred. You want them right when they're still a little curl like these guys. This is more preferred right here. They taste super amazing. We patch this tire up, or they patch it up. We'll see how good it is. What'd you do, 10 PSI? Damn. There goes that booty. Damn.
I didn't hear any air. We're good, I think.
You sure?
I didn't hear anything, so.
I'm just scared to I don't want it to get worse. If it gets worse, then...
I didn't hear anything.
Hey, if it gets worse, at least we have your spirit to bring you back home. Tacoma 3.4 supercharged. We just found out it has a supercharger. Watch, you're gonna hear it. Ooh. Oh!
You hear it.
Pull him out. Woo!
Alright, we just need a little more rocket sauce.
It's more limit power.
A little more wine to it, man.
You might need a new bumper after this. Oh man!
Heard it. There he goes.
Yeah, it's easy. It's hard. It's hard mud. Damn, I went through here like nothing, huh?
Yeah.
Slow down, slow down, stop, stop, stop. Go back, go back, go back. Hard right. Hard passengers. You got room, you got room. Right there. Keep going, right there. Yep, hard passenger. Perfect. Go all the way up. We'll come up. A little muddy.
You got that log out of the way.
Splatter, splat. Too easy.
A supercharger.
That sounds nice, huh? Damn, we are at the Kingdom Rock. We should. What should we call this? We need to call this an area. Rock Garden. We're gonna call this Rock Garden. Hey, this area. This area is called Rock Garden.
What?
Rock Garden. So next time we know where we at. Hey, where you at? We're stuck at Rock Garden. How are you gonna climb through that? Through that big rock?
With my 38s. Imaginary, bro. 38s, ARBs, superchargers, you know.
You wish. Look how bad this Rock Garden is. Wow, look at this view. Damn. Hold on, hold on. You got one big rock, so try to. You think he can make it over that?
You're gonna have to.
Slightly passenger.
Straddle this, so.
You're gonna go over that rock right there.
Yeah.
Slowly, 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 slowly. You got it. Good line. That's a good line right there.
Yeah.
Good line, Eric. You're caught in the rock.
If he goes this way a little, we can avoid that rock.
A little bit to your passenger. Hard passenger, hard passenger. Stop. Hold on, hold on.
Go back and have him take this way a little bit.
Come back more. Go back. No, no, no. Don't go forward. You're gonna hit his diff on the back. Yeah, your diff is it's gonna sit on this big ass rock. That big rock right there. That will break your dry shaft, dude. I've done that before. I broke. There you go. Slowly, slowly. Slowly, slowly. Okay, you're clear.
Oh, I lost it. I should have just fucking gave her the beans right there.
Hold on. Let's see if we can build that rock up or something. Keep
I
going.
would have had it if I just had
Keep going slowly.
throttle.
Take your time. We can take your time.
Can you do that SpongeBob thing 1 hour later on the thing?
There you go. Medium rear for our burgers. Keep going, you're good. Bump it a little bit. Yeah. There you go. Woo!
There goes the diff. You're hung up!
¿Cómo es Esca? No, no tea, no tea, no tea. Check out this amazing view, guys. It is May 31st. You're good? Wow. Look at this view. We started from the bottom, and now we up. Damn. Woo. Roughly about 7:50 p.m. right now. We just made it to the falls. What do you think, man? First time here,
dude,
right?
it's great. Yeah.
This is my second time here, but it's been almost 4 to 5 years since I've been here. And it's really a small waterfall, nothing too big. But we'll get you guys down there. We're gonna do a little bit of barbecue. Get us some ribs and some burgers going. And it's been about almost a 2-hour trek already. Almost 2.5 hours, yeah, 2 hours into this trip. Very, very gorgeous. That's Sutton way down there. There's the other guys right there. Maybe we should barbecue up here because it's sunny. I guess. You want to go all the way down and barbecue down there?
Yeah, all the way down.
Damn. How's my camera?
Huh?
How's my camera?
You're good.
Might be a good photo right here. Yeah, I would go to here if I wasn't so sharpshooter.
Yeah.
Damn, hold on. I gotta take a photo. Shit.
Yeah, it's flexing. Here. Stay in there.
Yeah, this is fucking sick.
3, 2, 1. Yeah. Now turn it that way a little and you'll clear this over here. You're gonna drop down a little bit if you go this way. Good. Alright, now that way a little bit. You're good, you're clearing it.
Eric, go towards my left.
Go clear it. Yeah, you're good right there. Turn, go a little bit more straight so you can clear the back axle.
Oh yeah?
Actually you're good, you're fine. Keep going. You're good.
We only do one way. Damn, that tire's still good. Look at Eric, man. These IFS guy, they think they saw axle or something. Straight down, straight down. Right here. Straight down. Yes, sir.
So full send it.
Don't tell me I didn't tell you to not come down. That taco is really low clearance. That's not my worry about, and he's on open diff. Shit. I'll call him in. Go slow and steady, alright?
Oh, no, it's not.
You're clear, you can come straight down now. Damn, it's chilly down here, fuck.
Oh yeah. Windy. It's gonna be even chillier down there.
Damn. Jordan just broke this tail light, his side marker. Gotta break something out here. Okay, they made it. Driver, you got a rock on your. Come on.
I want something. So look, I want something on that side.
You're good. Just your sliders. Slowly. Damn. This is Escafall, guys. Welcome to Alaska. Oh, frame slider, frame slider, frame slider. Ooh, frame sliders. Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh, he just busted his hub. Oh shit. Your hubs. They're useless anyway. I don't care. I got sliders.
Yeah, plenty of room.
I got sliders. Damn, I thought he was gonna freaking damage his rims, yo. It almost ate his rim. Oh, yeah, I have my camera.
Damn, I lost the parking light, I lost the hubcap.
He lost his fucking hubcap. Hopefully they turn around. Was on the tree?
Yeah, ran right into a tree.
It's all good. Only comments we have, man. Fresh burger, ketchups, mustard, pepper jack, very simple.
I will have hot dog today.
Right out here in the wilderness of Alaska.